A MagSafe iPhone case with lots of cool tricks. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here with my iPhone 15 Pro. Now, some people like carrying their phones just like this, but that makes me anxious because this is a very expensive device and I want to give it the protection it needs so that I can accidentally drop it or have things like occur in life without getting it damaged. So you want a case. Now, one of the things, since the iPhone 12, iPhones have all had MagSafe. And MagSafe's really cool because it lets you charge by just putting it on a MagSafe charger. But even better, if you turn it sideways, they now have that stand display mode, which I think is pretty slick. So I want a case that both protects my phone and gives me that MagSafe capability. Enter this. This is the this is the Andobil Easy Relax MagSafe iPhone case. And I know it's a box. So let's unbox. And you're saying unboxing, it's a phone case. There's not gonna be a lot in the box. Yeah, you're probably right. So let's see. So first off, I noticed there is a lint-free cloth. So you can use that to get rid of any fingerprints that might occur. And then in the bag is the actual case. And you can see it is a MagSafe friendly case by that ring, but that ring has some secret powers. And there's also a card in here that says Andobil. And if you get the wrong model, you can actually contact them and figure out what to do to fix it. And they also have a 24-month warranty, which is great. So let's go ahead and put the phone in the case. And having experimented with it earlier, I will tell you that it fits really well. It's very snug. In fact, it's so snug that you have to sort of fiddle with it a tiny bit so that the volume down control isn't being pushed by the case. But once you get it in the right position, it's volume down, volume up, and then there's the action button, which all still works. And then on the other side is the power button, which can get me back into sleep mode. So now, let's start out by asking the question, is it really MagSafe? So let's find out. And it certainly fits on the magnet, and as you can see, it does charge. So it is a MagSafe compatible case, and I can turn it sideways, and it should work that way too. Let's see. There we go. It should go into that mode in moments. And so it has military drop protection. It's very slim, but it actually also gives you a very small bezel. So it's just raised enough that if I do that, it actually protects the face of the phone. And I noticed that it didn't go into that display mode. Let's try again. There we go. So all works well. I'm not sure why I didn't do it before. I put that down as an iOS error as opposed to a phone case error. So it's slim, 24-month warranty. And so then let's talk about the ring on the back, because it's not just a MagSafe ring, because it bends out. So you can use it as a stand. And it not only bends out, but it rotates. So I can then do this, and then I can use it as a stand this way, which is probably the way most people will use it. And that is really great. And then I can put it back down, and it will still do that MagSafe charging. So everything's golden there. Now, one other cool thing they did, and it's an interesting choice, is that it also is a magnet. So I can put it on the side of my fridge. Now, the benefit of that is that since it sticks to metal, it's going to be great for the gym. So you can literally just snap it onto a crossbar on the exercise equipment you're using and then be watching your phone, your favorite video, whatever it is, while you're working out. Now, it sticks to any metal, so there's lots of other possibilities for you if you're on a boat or a car or in a bus or something. So lots of cool options. Mostly, though, I like that it's a very slim form factor, has a nice hand feel, and of course this cloth helps you if you get some fingerprints on the back, you can wipe them down easily enough. And that's pretty much everything I could possibly tell you about this. Is the Andobil Easy Relax MagSafe iPhone case, and it's definitely a solid option if you're looking for something that's MagSafe and protective and gives you a built-in stand. So definitely one to check out. Now, we also need to talk about the price, but before we get there, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Don't forget to go ahead and click on that bell notification icon too, and leave me some feedback, a comment, a thumbs up, all appreciated. I respond to all comments, so go ahead and leave me a question if you have something that you're not sure about this case. But we should also talk about the price. And this is the Andobil Easy Relax MagSafe iPhone case. This one's for the iPhone 15 Pro. They have it for a variety of iPhone cases. Comes in this black, or there's a clear version, and it's $36.99 with a 5% discount currently, dropping it down to $35.14 at Amazon.com. I would say this is one of my favorite new iPhone cases because it's so simple and easy to work with. And I really like the built-in stand because I do sometimes try to tilt my phone against things and then it just slips off and it's really annoying. So that built-in stand is pretty sweet. That's all I got. I'll have to catch you in my next video.